السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته. مرحبا بكم أعزائي التلاميذ في قناة English KM. اليوم إن شاء الله سوف نتطرق إلى درس جديد بعنوان أسماء الخضروات والفواكه في اللغة الإنجليزية Fruits and Vegetables. Okay, let's start with names of fruits. أسماء الفواكه. Apple, apple. Banana, banana. Orange, orange. Grapes, grapes. Kiwi fruit, kiwi fruit. Watermelon, watermelon. Melon, melon. Strawberry, strawberry. Pineapple, pineapple. Avocado, avocado. Apricot, apricot. Fig, fig. Pear, pomegranate, pomegranate. Peach, peach. Cherry, cherry. الآن سوف نمر إلى names of vegetables. أسماء الخضروات. Potatoes, potatoes. Carrot, carrot. Tomatoes, tomatoes. Cauliflower, cauliflower. Courgette, courgette. Eggplant, eggplant. Pumpkin, pumpkin. Peas, green beans, green beans. Onion, onion. Pepper, pepper. Lettuce, lettuce. Garlic, garlic. chili, chili. Celery, celery. Cucumber, cucumber. بعد أن تعرفنا على بعض أسماء الخضروات والفواكه، الآن سوف نمر إلى بعض التمارين التطبيقية. Choose the right choice. Here we have a picture of a fruit. So what is its name? Is it a melon, watermelon, or grapes? Melon, watermelon, grapes. So the right choice, الجواب الصحيح هو watermelon, watermelon. Number 2. What's this? Is it strawberry, pomegranate, or fig? Strawberry, pomegranate, or fig? It is good, pomegranate. Number 3. What's this? Is it tomato, garlic, pepper? Tomato, garlic, or pepper? So the correct answer is pepper. Good, it is pepper. So what's this? Is it eggplant, carrot, onion? Eggplant, carrot, onion. The correct answer is, yes, good, it is eggplant, eggplant. Number 5. So what's this? Is it grapes, cauliflower, watermelon? Number 1, grapes. Number 2, cauliflower. Number 3, watermelon. So the correct answer is, الجواب صحيح هو cauliflower, cauliflower. Good. Number 6. What's this? Is it apricot, eggplant, strawberry? Apricot, eggplant, strawberry. So the correct answer is strawberry, strawberry. Yes, good. So this is the last one. So what's this? Is it potato, watermelon, garlic? Is it potato, watermelon, garlic? So the correct choice is good. It is garlic, garlic. So this is the end. Thank you so much for your attention, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you inshallah in my next video soon. In my next video soon.